Welcome to Gears Canada, where your adventure is our mission. Our customer happiness team is eager to assist with product-related questions and can even help guide you to the perfect gear for your activity and budget. Reach out to us anytime at 647-400-3081. Transform your ride with the Gears X-Tender Gel Seat Pad, engineered to enhance your motorcycling experience. Various sizes are available to ensure that you don't compromise the sleek aesthetic of your motorcycle. At the core of the X-Tender is a combination of proprietary gel and foam layers. This design not only absorbs shock waves from road bumps, but also ensures you remain comfortable during long rides, ultimately allowing you to extend the distance of your adventures, which lends the gel seat its name. What sets the X-Tender apart is its temperature stability, featuring our innovative gel polymer that adapts to varying weather conditions to maintain a stable temperature. The top of the seat boasts a breathable design with a DryMax Mesh. This feature facilitates airflow and ensures your butt stays cool and comfy. We recently added a water-resistant coating to the DryMax Mesh top layer of the gel seat. This improvement was highly requested from our customers, and we're thrilled it has made the gel seat more resistant to rain. That being said, if you foresee a heavy downpour, please remove the gel seat or cover your motorcycle. The gel seat's performance and longevity will be reduced if it gets completely soaked. The easiest way to use the X-Tender is to simply place it on top of your seat. You may take this approach if you are using the gel seat on a golf cart, wheelchair, office chair, ATV, stadium seat, or car seat. We usually recommend a large size X-Tender for all of these scenarios. However, if you wish to use this gel seat on your motorcycle, then you'll likely want to secure it to avoid knocking it out of place when mounting or dismounting your bike. In this case, step 1 is to remove your motorcycle's seat and position the X-Tender where you'd like it, then pass the elastic loops from one side of the X-Tender underneath your motorcycle's seat and reattach them on the other side. The elastic loops have hooks that attach to the X-Tender without any fuss. Once these loops are placed underneath your motorcycle's seat, you can easily remove and reattach the gel seat as and when it is needed. Thanks to the X-Tender's slim profile, it only raises your height on the bike by 1 inch, ensuring that your riding position and control over the bike remains similar to what you're used to. This size guide shows examples of motorcycle types and the corresponding gel seat size that fits best. The extra small X-Tender fits the passenger seat of sport bikes, hyperbikes, and street bikes. The small X-Tender fits the passenger seat of cruisers, baggers, touring, scramblers, dual sport, dual purpose, retro commuters, scooters, mopeds, adventure touring, sport touring, and standard motorcycles. The medium X-Tender is designed for the driver's seat of sport bikes, hyperbikes, street bikes, roadsters, electric, and standard motorcycles, specifically those without a rectangular seat. The large X-Tender is ideal for the driver's seat of cruisers, baggers, bobbers, choppers, touring and sport touring motorcycles, large scooters, and mopeds. The extra-large gel seat is made for motorcycles with a long rectangular driver's seat, such as cafe racers, retro commuters, scramblers, some dual sport, enduro, and modern classic standard motorcycles. And remember, like all Gears products, they come with our ironclad 1-year warranty. Add to cart and get ready to seize your adventure.